If you're a busy medical practice, the iZig mobile media platform is a perfect tool for sending out text and email-based reminders to your patients of appointments. When you first log onto the system, this is the screen you see. This is called your dashboard. And when you're first entering a patient's name and information, you would go to the individual area, go into the group which you've pre-established. I've used appointments here, and put in their name. Let's say this is Jane Doe, and Jane's mobile media or mobile number is 386-555-1212, and I'm going to use my email address here. Oops, wrong place. Now you have them set up in your address book. Subscribe automatically. And you may want to send out a reminder right now. If you do, you would go to your templates here, go to appointments. Now these aren't created. You have to create these, but this way you have complete flexibility. Appointment reminder or new appointment. Let's start that first. This is the initial message you would send to them. We have a scheduled appointment, whatever it may be. Send the message. You could also choose to immediately send the reminder. Unable to send message. Email already exists. Okay. What you'll find is you go to your groups that you've established. Now I have several in here. It wouldn't look like this. In your appointments, and here you have your keeping your list of people. If you go to your address book, you'll be able to see now they're alphabetically sorted. So here, this is John Doe. Jane Doe didn't go because of the email address. So you'd click here when you're ready to confirm or remind of an appointment. And you can do this when the appointment is set because we have the schedule message function here. So what you could use is choose the template. This is right after you set the appointment. Put the appointment time in here. Let's say it's 1 p.m. Eastern time on the 7th and or the 10th. And then you'd establish how many days or minutes, weeks or hours in advance that you want the message to be sent to them. Go down here, choose okay, we're in appointments, appointment reminder. You can tell it to include the appointment time in the message, so it will immediately take this time and put it into the message, as you can see here, and send the message to them. You can also have a repeat reminder, so it can go out twice to them. In that message, you could include the phone number to the office, which would allow them to simply click on that without having to re-enter it, and it would automatically dial the office for them to reschedule. If you've entered their email address into their record in the address book, it will send them an email simultaneously. Another function you'll find here is you can use this for advertising. For each of you, if you're using multiple advertising methods, you may want to track the results from those advertisements. So you could put, for instance, I've put in mailers, newspaper, and a website, each with it's assigned a digital or numerical keyword, but you can also establish a keyword such as smile or doctor or the doctor's name or whatever the case may be. Our short code is 90210, which is by far the most recognizable 5 digits in the world. And you could put that on your advertisements. Text your keyword to 90210. This would give you the ability to track the effectiveness of your advertisement and put those people's phone numbers into your database here that you could use for follow-up communication to them, either through texting or calling them. Well, this will give you a brief idea of how you can use the iZig mobile media platform for a reminder and advertisement tracking. For more details, you can go to edgem2.com.